The project for today is to install a Mr. Cool universal ducted mini split heat pump and air conditioner. But we gotta uninstall first this gas furnace. This is the one that we gotta remove. It's gotta go upstairs. It's gonna be replaced by the universal all-electric heat pump. This gas furnace still good, but the customer wants more efficiency, so this is the Mr. Cool unit. We're gonna prepare to adapt it, do the transitions, the ducting work to the existing duct work in the house, the plenum and all that. There you go. Everything's gotta be sealed with tape and some of that mud. There you go. We just need to seal some of those openings. Beautiful. Now this is on the left side, this is the old furnace, and which is being replaced by this one. This is gonna be the outside unit, the compressor, which we're gonna set it in a concrete pad, and this is their line set. They say they come with vacuum, so supposedly no vacuum required, because they come with vacuum anyways. We're gonna pass the line set through the crawl space under the deck. Now this is its control board for the indoor unit. This cable is where it gets power to 20 to 40 volts. It gets its power, goes to the transformer for 12 or 24 volts for the control board, and it sends power to the blower also, 220 for the blower and 12 direct current for the control board. Here we are. We're gonna make a little concrete pad, just a simple one for the condenser unit. So as out here is just dirt, we don't want that the unit is heavy. We don't want that over the years, like kind of sinks on one side, on the compressor side, which is the heavier part. So we're gonna put it in a concrete pad, making the mortar, or however it's called, in the welder. There you go. We are connecting the copper pipes, which supposedly come with vacuum, and there you go. We connected the electrical and all that. Here is the drain. We didn't install a pump because there is a drainage right away. There you go. There you go. Thanks God. Beautiful.